Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to talk about ceiling fan. What are the importance of ceiling fan? What makes ceiling fan be so useful in us that we are using it everywhere? So because ceiling fan is very useful because it work as a mini AC. You see, it will give you us breeze and around the either in house or environment or offices. So I want to tell you about the component of ceiling fan so that you're able to understand what make this ceiling fan. So watch this video to the end and understand. If you are new here, please subscribe. If you're a technician, this video is for you. All right, let me break it down for you. As ceiling fan, mostly come with capacitor. Most ceiling fan come with capacitor. So what are the capacitor? Capacitor is only there to run the ceiling fan, that will make it to run continuously and smoothly. So that's the work of capacitor. It run everything. And capacitor, the fan has three connections, while the two goes for the capacitor and the third one go to the current directly. You see, this one go to the capacitor direct, and yeah, of course the red one go to the capacitor and light, which is the electricity, while the black one go to the directly to the light. So and capacitor come with different voltage and sizes. Like now, this particular one come with 400 volts and 5 uf. This one is particular for the fan, but it's not necessarily 5 uf. Some get 2.5, 3.5. And if your capacitor has fault, you can test it by using it to plug for your socket or light directly and spark it together, just like this. You see, and this is how you test capacitor. Then let me break this fan for you. You have to open this fan completely. Let me break it down. So this side, of course, we have what you call bearing. So bearing is the one that make the fan not to, as in, you need to run smoothly, so that you will not have any crack. The fan will not be rolling till the many years to come. Now this bearing that you see now, if you have an issue, the fan will be making noise or the fan will stop running. You see, whenever you move the fan for the up, you have to use your hand to rotate the fan by yourself. If the fan will rotate smoothly, that means this bearing is good, but if not rotate, that means the bearing is bad. So most times the bearing can be the issue that your fan is not working. Let me remove the magnetic field, and this, if you are removing it from the fan, you have to be very careful. And these are the coil, the rotating, the motor coil, that is it. And the bearing is in two types. You have the up bearing and the down bearing. Most of the fan have two bearing. You see, the up bearing and the down bearing. So the up one is the support, while the down one is also the support that are able to hold the coil motor together. You see, so the down bearing has to be very smooth also, because if it's not smooth, the fan cannot be able to turn. Sometimes the fan will turn, but we start making noise, a noise that you say you will not able to like it. So that is how the component of fan is. So I believe with this now you're able to convey that this fan have a little component which can able you to repair as a technician. You see, so all this are the component of ceiling fan. Thanks for watching.